Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is a well overdue video that's stuck in my phone for about 3 weeks. So yes, if you want to see how I achieved this yummy dinner, this is stewed goat meat or stewed mutton. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, welcome again. Now we're heading straight into the video. Here we have our goat meat already cut and washed. Now we're going to add our fresh seasoning. Those will be on the screen. And we're going to add a combo of powder seasoning. I'll try to link those on the screen as well, along with my soy sauce and my browning combo. That is a good combo. So I'm going to allow this to season well, put to marinate, and we'll come back tomorrow morning when it's time to cook our dinner. So just keep on watching, guys. Okay guys, this is the next day. Here I'm just adding my peas, so I'm going to wash this. I'm going to put it to cook with some crushed garlic. Normally we put our peas to soak overnight. Totally forget last night. So here I'm just prepping my peas to put for boiling. So to my old supporters, appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you guys for all the support. For those coming on board for the first time, welcome. Appreciate you guys a lot as well. But to make it official, please tap the subscribe button, put your bell on so you won't miss another upload. So do continue watching, guys, and I'll catch you when there's another step to be explained. So here we're back to our meat. We're going to sear our meat and allow it to start the cooking process. Here I'm adding a bit of oil. Allow that to heat up. Add my meat pieces. Try to get rid of most of the season. Leave that one for later, okay? So we're going to put that in our pot, cover, and allow it to sweat its own juice before adding water. For the water, I think we're going to add water like 3 times, depending on the texture of your meat. So just add water according to the texture, okay? So for the remaining seasoning, we're just going to cover that and leave it for later. Cover our pot and allow it to sweat. So just continue watching, guys, and I'll catch you when there's another step to be explained. the seasoning I put on the screen just now is for my rice and peas. I'm going to add that. I'm going to add my remaining coconut milk. I cooked my peas with some of the coconut milk. I forget to show that on camera, but there's a tip right there. I don't know, it give me a redder rice and peas. Yes. So we're just going to allow the season to boil with our peas for 10 minutes while we prep our rice. Add your rice, stir well, cover your pot and lower your flame and allow that to steam. So just keep on watching, guys. Okay, here we're back after 20 minutes. Rice cook. Yes. Now we're just going to remove the scallion and thyme pieces. Be careful not to burst the pepper and fluff our rice up. Turn off the flame and keep our pot covered, okay? While we finish working on our stewed mutton, okay? So just keep on watching, guys. Tender enough. Now we're going to add our remaining seasoning that we use to marinate our meat. If needed, you can add fresh seasoning to that, but I'm also just going to add some carrot and red bell pepper to this, along with tomato paste and ketchup. Adjust taste if needed. Cover your pot and allow this to simmer and come to a nice sauce. So keep on watching, guys, and I'll catch you at the end of the
video. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby,
then off camera, I made some steamed broccoli and carrot. I did some tomato and cucumber slices, also some cabbage salad. So here is my dinner. This was on a food channel, and this food that I prepared came in first place. Yes, this was just a presentation for my pick to send for that challenge competition. Yes, and I got first prize. So tell me, guys, how this one looks. Sorry, I didn't have full clip of the food in another angle, but I tried to put pictures. So if you enjoy this one, please like, share, comment, and catch you guys in another video. Thanks for all the support. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.